I call for restraint from any actions that would expose anyone to danger of infection and urge our youth who are currently under Kazi Mtaani program to ensure compliance with COVID-19 containment. Bwana Commissioner, you remember that when we were launching that thing, we really advised those young men and women. We told them that they must keep that social distance. We also told them that they must put on their masks. Unfortunately, they are not obeying those ones. So I think what we are going to do is just to relieve them of their duties and engage new people who will comply with those directives. Otherwise, what I'm seeing here is not encouraging at all. They just congregate, or they don't want to work. Like today, I'm told some refuse to load the tippers. So those ones, the tough-headed ones, those ones we are going to dismiss and replace with the ones that are obedient and are eager to do that job.
Swala ya kwamba hii kazi ni chafu, lakini sisi wa Kenya, mimi ninapoongea hivi nijisomesha kwa kufanya kazi kufyagia choo katika masters yangu. Kazi ni kazi. Masomo ya kisawa ni yale hayatambui kwamba hayabagui kazi. If you are truly learned and you cannot do these jobs, huwezi kwenda shamba, then wewe hujaenda shule. If you are learned properly na huwezi kwenda shambani, hayo masomo yako yako na shida. This is the message I'm giving to. If you are learned na huwezi enda shamba ushike jembe, you have a serious problem. You better interrogate your mind. Kazi ni kazi.